In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your country or location on your YouTube channel. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. Open YouTube from here. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on View Your Channel. If I expand the channel description from here, you can see that my country is showing here. Suppose you want to remove or hide your country. Open a new window in the browser. In the search bar, search for Channel Update YouTube Data. This is the link that we are looking for. If you can't find it, I will attach the link in the description. On the web page, scroll down and click on this icon beside the Update Branding option. In this pop-up, select and delete the last two lines of the code. In its place, add a quotation mark, type country, and add another quotation mark. Now add a colon and two quotation marks. Remember, you have to type all this without any spaces. In the ID section, you can see the text Your Channel ID. Select this part and go back to your channel page. On this page, click on Customize Channel. On this page, scroll down and look for the channel URL. From the main URL, select and copy the part that comes after channel /. Go back to the first window and paste your link in the Your Channel ID section. After you are done, scroll down and click on Execute. Now you have to sign in using your YouTube channel's Google ID. Sign in normally here. If the result shows code 200, then your work is done. If it shows an error, refresh the page and try again without making any mistakes in the code. Remember that if you do this, it will remove descriptions with your country's location. Go back to your channel page and refresh the page. Now, if I expand the description again, you can see that there is no country specified here. Following these steps, you can hide the country or location on YouTube easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.